Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make Shami Kabab. So the authentic way of making Shami Kabab is usually with mutton or beef meat. So that's how we're going to make it today. I'm going to slice 1.5 large onions straight into the pressure cooker, but if you want you can do this on a chopping board. I'm adding 2 whole bulbs of garlic, which will just dissolve inside the pressure cooker, followed by 12 dried red chillies. Here I've got 1 inch of a piece of ginger that I'm slicing into coins straight into the pressure cooker. I'm using 2 kilos of boneless beef and 1 kilo of Chana Daal. So for that, the spices we need are 3 teaspoons of Coriander Powder, 3 teaspoons of Cumin Powder, 3 teaspoons of Chilli Powder, 3 teaspoons of salt and 2 teaspoons of Garam Masala, followed by 2 teaspoons of oil. Next I'm going to add the Chana Dal straight on top, followed by about 1 liter of water. The quantity of water depends on how much your pressure cooker takes to cook the meat. I'm popping the lid on and I'm going to let this cook for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile that cooks, we're going to get the Garam Masala ready for the kebabs. So that's just basically onions, green chilies, coriander and mint chopped up in a blender. Here I've got 1.5 medium onions, which I'm roughly slicing into the chopper. Next I'm adding 8 green chilies into the chopper. You can use less if you like, we like our kebabs a bit spicy. Next I'm adding a large bunch of coriander, followed by half a bunch of mint leaves. So you're going to blitz everything together until everything is finely chopped. Here I'm removing half of the Garam Masala out into the bowl and leaving the remainder in the chopper. So once the pressure cooker's pressure has gone down, remove the lid and give everything a good mix to see how much water is still left in there. So the dal and the meat is fully cooked, but there's still a bit of water left. I'm going to cook this on a high flame, but I'm also going to keep stirring it so the dal doesn't stick to the bottom. So when everything is looking thick and mushy, I'm going to bring it over to the chopper and add it in bit by bit. So a little at a time, I'm going to blitz up everything together. Don't worry about the consistency too much at this point, because as it cools, it hardens. So I'm going to cover the mixture and leave it for about half an hour. This will allow the mixture to stiffen up a little bit. Half an hour later, we're ready to shape the kebabs. With the amount of mixture I've made, I was able to make around 90 kebabs. Really, there's no way of particularly shaping these kebabs. I'm just grabbing a ball in my hand and just patting it into shape. So the best way to freeze them is lining them into a tray and layering them up with cling film. Once they've sat in the freezer for around 24 hours, I'm going to take them out and store them in a more compact box or a bag and then back into the freezer. So to fry them fresh or from the freezer, I'm going to crack 1 egg into a plate and whisk it. I'm going to keep a pan on medium to low heat and dip the kebabs one at a time in the egg mixture and into the pan. So I'm going to fry them for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side on low heat and then remove them onto a paper towel. Here you are, your delicious Shami Kabab, ready to make in minutes whenever you need to. Guys, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media. Till the next time, see you later.